Are you ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game? Look no further than the Ninja OG701 7-in-1 outdoor electric grill and smoker. With its innovative features and versatility, this grill takes outdoor cooking to a whole new level. In this review, we'll explore what makes the Ninja OG701 a must-have for grill enthusiasts, from its masterful grilling capabilities to its convenient portability. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Masterful outdoor cooking experience. The Ninja OG701 is not your average outdoor grill. It's a multifunctional powerhouse that can grill, BBQ smoke, air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and broil, all with 100% authentic smoky flavor. Powered by Ninja Woodfire technology, this grill delivers a rich, smoky taste without the hassle of charcoal or propane. With just 12 cups of wood pellets, you can infuse your food with mouth-watering flavor that will impress even the most discerning palate. Versatility at your fingertips. Whether you're craving juicy steaks, perfectly smoked ribs, crispy wings, or flavorful veggies, the Ninja OG701 has you covered. With its master grill function, you can achieve the same char and searing as a full-size propane grill. The foolproof BBQ smoker feature lets you create authentic BBQ bark and flavor in a fraction of the time, while the outdoor air fryer capability allows you to cook all your favorite air-fried dishes with a delicious smoky twist. Ninja Woodfire technology. The secret behind the Ninja OG701's exceptional flavor lies in its patented Woodfire technology. By harnessing the power of electricity and real burning wood pellets, this grill delivers unparalleled smoky taste that you can see and taste with every bite. Plus, with exclusive Ninja Woodfire pellets included, you'll have everything you need to get started on your flavor-packed culinary adventures. Convenience and durability. Designed to withstand the elements, the Ninja OG701 is weather-resistant, allowing you to cook and store outdoors year-round. Its 760-watt electric power means no charcoal, propane, or flare-ups, making it balcony and apartment-friendly. Plus, with its generous cooking capacity, you can easily grill for a crowd or whip up a feast for your family and friends. What's included? The Ninja OG701 comes with everything you need to get grilling right away, including a non-stick grill grate, crisper basket, pellet scoop, and starter packs of Ninja Woodfire pellets. Plus, with a quick start guide featuring 15 mouth-watering recipes, you'll be cooking like a pro in no time. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Ninja OG701 outdoor electric grill and smoker is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. With its versatile functionality, powerful Woodfire technology, and convenient portability, it's the ultimate outdoor cooking companion. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a novice cook, the Ninja OG701 will take your outdoor culinary creations to new heights. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.